Today, I'll walk you through how to make a trading playbook using Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a personalized trading playbook so you can enhance your trading strategies and improve your decision-making. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. You can do this by navigating to the link provided in the description below. Once you're on your Notion dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's a powerful tool for organizing your thoughts and strategies. Next, look for the Add a Page button on the left side of your screen. This button is your gateway to creating new content within Notion. Click on it to begin the process of building your trading playbook. Think of this as laying the foundation for your trading journey. Now, let's explore the templates available in Notion. Click on the Templates option. This will open up a variety of pre-designed templates that can save you time and help you structure your playbook effectively. It's like choosing a blueprint for a house you want to build. Once you're in the Templates section, navigate to the Notion Marketplace by clicking on Templates again. This will give you access to even more options tailored to different needs, including trading. Now it's time to search for a specific template. Type Trading Playbook into the search bar. This will filter the available templates to show you options specifically designed for trading strategies. Think of it as searching for the perfect recipe for a dish you want to cook. After you find a template that catches your eye, choose it and click on Plus Add. This will add the template to your workspace, making it easily accessible for you to customize, like adding a new tool to your toolbox. Once the template appears on the left pane, click on it to open it up. Here, you can modify and edit the content based on your preferences. Feel free to add your own strategies, notes, and insights. This is where your unique trading style comes into play. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different from what I described. Notion frequently updates its interface. Just follow along and you'll be able to adapt to any changes. In conclusion, creating a trading playbook in Notion is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your trading experience. By following these steps, you'll have a personalized playbook that reflects your strategies and goals. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.